Do you feel uncertain about your finances, constantly second-guessing your spending, or avoiding looking at your bank balance? What if financial confidence isn't something you're born with, but something that can be built step by step? In this video, we'll reveal 5 key ways to build financial confidence from scratch, even if you're starting with zero knowledge or experience. By the end, you'll have the tools and confidence to make smarter financial decisions, take control of your money, and start building the future you want. Let's dive in. 1. Learn core financial skills. Confidence grows from knowledge. Learning basic financial skills is the first step to building a solid foundation. Understanding things like budgeting, managing debt, building credit, and saving gives you the tools to make informed decisions. The more you know about how money works, the more confident you'll feel taking action with it. You don't need a finance degree to get started. Simple habits like tracking your spending, understanding how credit cards work, or learning about compound interest can have a huge impact on how you feel about your finances. The goal is to get comfortable with everyday financial concepts and gradually expand your knowledge as you go. Many people start their financial journey not knowing where to begin, but with platforms like Intuit for Education offering free resources, anyone can learn at their own pace. Investing a little time each week in learning something new about money will boost your confidence and make it easier to handle your finances with clarity and purpose. As you get more comfortable with these basic skills, you will begin to see your financial decisions in a new light, feeling more in control and less stressed. The world of personal finance can be overwhelming, but the truth is, starting small is the key. With every piece of new information, you'll feel more empowered to make better financial choices and take confident action toward your goals. The journey to financial confidence starts with a commitment to continuous learning, which will pay off over time. 2. Start small and celebrate progress. Building financial confidence doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small wins that create momentum and build trust in your ability to manage money. Whether it's transferring a small amount into savings, paying off a small debt, or tracking your expenses for a week, every little step counts. Celebrating these small wins is important because it reinforces the habit of taking action. Even the smallest actions, like saving $10 this week, prove to yourself that you can manage your money and make progress. Over time, these small wins add up to big results, and you'll start feeling more confident about your ability to take on larger financial goals, like saving for a home or investing for the future. This approach makes financial goals feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Instead of thinking about the end result, focus on the progress you're making each day, week, or month. Keep building on each small win, and your financial confidence will grow. These small steps also help you build consistency. Once you've had a few victories, you'll start to see a shift in your mindset, and the confidence you gain will propel you to keep achieving more. Tracking these wins will not only help you stay motivated, but also keep you focused on your long-term goals. The more small milestones you achieve, the more you'll be reminded that financial success is possible one step at a time. 3. Create and stick to a budget. A budget is one of the most powerful tools for building financial confidence because it provides clarity and visibility into where your money is going. Without a budget, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed by your finances. Knowing exactly how much you earn, how much you spend, and where you can make adjustments is key to gaining control and taking the guesswork out of money management. There's no single right way to budget. It's about finding a system that works for your unique situation. Whether you use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or simply pen and paper, the goal is to track your income and expenses consistently. The key is to have a clear picture of your finances so you can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary surprises. Start with a simple budgeting framework like the 50/30/20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income to essential needs, housing, utilities, groceries, 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. This can be adjusted based on your specific goals and lifestyle. Over time, as you stick to this budget, you'll begin noticing patterns, such as areas where you're overspending or can cut back, and this will boost your confidence in handling your money. A budget doesn't just show you where your money is going. It helps you visualize your entire financial picture. With this clarity, you can make intentional decisions like cutting unnecessary expenses or increasing savings. By sticking to your budget and reviewing it regularly, It becomes easier to spot potential improvements and make adjustments along the way. This builds financial confidence because you feel empowered to control your money instead of letting it control you. Over time, budgeting becomes second nature, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, you'll start to feel in control. This simple habit allows you to make smarter decisions and ensures that your spending aligns with your long-term goals. 4. Strengthen credit habits. Your credit score is an essential part of your financial health, and learning how to build and maintain good credit is crucial for long-term financial confidence. Having good credit helps you get better interest rates, qualify for loans, and even pay less for things like insurance. To start strengthening your credit, pay bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. These small habits might seem insignificant, but over time they can make a huge difference in your credit score. It's also important to regularly monitor your credit. Platforms like Credit Karma can help you keep track of your score and identify any errors that could be affecting it. The more you understand how credit works and make good credit habits a part of your routine, the more confident you'll feel about making financial decisions. Good credit opens doors to more financial opportunities, and by staying informed, you can ensure that your credit score is working in your favor. It's not just about the numbers. It's about creating good financial habits that last for a lifetime. Over time, these small actions will help you reap the benefits of a solid credit history. You'll be able to access better rates on loans and credit cards, which means more financial freedom in the future. As you strengthen your credit habits, you'll notice how it positively impacts your financial confidence and overall decision-making. 5. Use trusted tools and resources. One of the biggest barriers to financial confidence is not knowing where to start. Fortunately, there are plenty of tools and resources available to help you. Whether it's budgeting apps, financial literacy courses, or tools for monitoring your credit, using trusted resources can help guide you along the way. Apps like Mint, QuickBooks, and Credit Karma make it easy to track your spending, monitor your credit, and set financial goals. These platforms provide insights and guidance, helping you make informed decisions with your money. In addition to these tools, consider reaching out to a mentor, joining a financial community, or following experts in personal finance who can share valuable advice. Having a support system, whether through peer groups or professional guidance, will help you stay on track and boost your confidence. Remember, you don't have to navigate the world of finance alone. There's help available to guide you every step of the way. These resources take the guesswork out of financial management and make it easier for you to stay on top of your finances. By using trusted tools, you can track your progress more effectively and learn new ways to improve your financial habits, all while building your confidence along the way. Building financial confidence is a journey that takes time and consistent effort. It's about taking small steps every day to improve your knowledge, set goals, and take control of your money. By starting with small wins, sticking to a budget, building good credit habits, and using trusted tools, you can gradually build a financial confidence you need to make smarter financial decisions and achieve your goals. Remember, financial confidence doesn't happen overnight, but with each step, you'll feel more empowered and ready to tackle the next challenge. Start today and take that first step toward a confident financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building financial confidence and achieving financial freedom. Stay consistent and trust yourself to make the best choices for your future.